But do you hear that sound over there? Besides the wind, hear that engine? That is a tractor. You know what that means when you hear a tractor? Yes, I am on a farm. First week in March and I'm already on a farm. Alright, so what are we gonna do about this awesome farm exploration? We're going to present it. Now, where can I find a place to present it, you may ask? Well, we are going to figure that out. I have my bagpipe case over here. Kind of want to set it on a place a little higher to where I can present this awesome. I actually have the bagpipes, not the practice chanter. And so, and everybody's home. I'll tell you what, I will set up on the chair and we will play the bagpipes to present our farm extravaganza. If I can find a place. That's the sliding door right there. We don't want to present that. No, let's go over here. Tell you what, I will set y'all up right here. Y'all are gonna be on the ground, but oh wait, no, that won't work. I'll tell you what, we'll set y'all up right down here. All right, right here you go. Nice and steady up against the wall. All right, presenting time. Some Rowan tree. There we go. We presented the farm. I'm on a cattle farm, but there we go. Make my way back to you. Y'all are over here. Thankfully there's no window. Alright, there we go. Presenting the farm to you guys. There are dogs barking. Alright, and there we go. Let's go out and let's go out into the farm a little bit. We got the bagpipes. There we go. It's windy, but there is a farm tractor over there. And down the way, and the sky is really cyan. The wind is blowing in my face, but there we go. The sky is cyan. It's a wonderful, wonderful day on the farm. My voice is kind of being muffled by the wind, or it's interfering. But anyways, there we go. Thanks for watching, and more farm videos to come later before I go back to Virginia and continue piping. Alright, thanks for watching, and more to come later.